everyone, welcome to my channel. It's nighttime and I'm out here with the JJRC Q117. This is a car that you get an awful lot of car for your money. The cool thing about it is that it's got really neat headlights, and watch this, I can change them. I think it's got like 7 different modes. And the headlights can also act as signal lights. There we go. So I can have signal lights front and rear, which is pretty sweet. And in the rear, you can see here that there's tail lights as well. It does come with 3 speeds and it's pretty fast. So it's got, I've got it on low and it's got medium and highs. I look at the remote here, a little switch that you flick. It also comes with an extra set of tires. So the tires on it right now are made for racing. It goes pretty fast and they're pretty grippy. And then you have tires for drifting, which are just hard plastic and you can spin it all over the place. So I don't know how much you're gonna see out here. I'm gonna drive this around here. Let me kill the headlights a bit. There we go. Let's get to the red headlights, just the red by themselves. I'm gonna drive it around out here and we'll see how it goes. I will say once again, you get an awful lot of car for the money, because when I looked online at the price of this thing, it was like around $80 US. That's not a lot of money for what you get. And here, I'll show you what the inside looks like. It's pretty decent all around. You know, it does not have oil-filled shocks. They are spring shocks, obviously, for that price. It does not have a brushless motor. Obviously, it's a brushed motor, but it's a very modern brush motor. It's really decent quality for the product you're getting for the price you're paying. So I'm going to take this around and we'll go for a little spin here. Yeah, and we'll see how it goes out here. All right, I'm lit up by the headlights of the car. The headlights are really bright. Here, I'm going to bring it closer. You can see if I hold it over here, they can light me up quite well. So I've got a GoPro on right now, hat cam, and GoPros are not very good at night. So I don't know how this is going to work out, but I'm just going to show you how the speeds are in low, medium, and fast. So here we go. Here we go. This is low speed. That's pretty fast for low, and that's with the grippy tires on. Look at that thing go. Okay, now I've switched it to medium speed. It goes like a bat out of hell. Oh my God. It's fast, that's medium. And now I'm gonna flick it over here to high. So let's flick it to high, which is fast speed. Here we go. Oh, it just burns rubber, it's gone. Let's come back. And it's off the road. So I think most people driving this at night are probably gonna drive it on the low speed. It would be best. The good thing is you can feather the throttle so I can keep it going nice and slow. It does have proportional steering. It is 4-wheel drive. It's all around a really good car for the money. You get an awful lot of car. It's really decent. So some of the footage I took with the GoPro on my head, well, you know, GoPros are not good at night. They really can't film very well, so you know the footage doesn't look great. So I'm out here in the daytime to show you a lot more footage. So this is what the car looks like in the daytime with the sun glowing on it. It's very nice. Let's take it out and do some speed runs. Car is down there. I have this set on low, so this is the slowest speed. Let me just show you how fast the slowest speed is. Start off slow and then add more speed. So that's max speed on slow. I'll turn it around, bring it back to me, full speed. This is on slow and brakes. There we go. So I'm gonna switch this here, dial from low to middle speed, right there. Okay, so once again, start off slow and then accelerate. That's middle speed. It's pretty good. Turn around. Here we are coming back at us full speed, and there it goes. Do a little slide. Take this and put it on high. Now remember, it's only a 2-cell battery, so it's got quite a lot of features and speed and longevity on this little 2-cell. So here we go. Slow start, then full. There we go. She's bouncy with the rocks. Okay, you can see I go farther because we're going faster. Coming back, I'll start off slow and then pick up speed. Here we go. And full. Whoa. There we are. Next thing I want to try is take off the grippy tires and put on the drift tires. These are like hard plastic, so on pavement it's just going to slide everywhere. Let's try it. Just take a Phillips screwdriver and you can get the wheels off quite simply. You can see here, nice touch for detail. They put some disc brakes right there, then the tire goes over that. Very nice. All right, all 4 drift tires are on, so this thing should slide all over the place. Let's try it out. All right, I've got it in low speed because it's on drift. There's no grip in these tires, so hey, there is grip. There we go. There we go. That's what you want. So I should be able to just slide into the grass. So with drift tires, it's kind of like driving on ice. So let's put them down again, and I'll see if I could control it a bit better. I still have it. I'm going to put it on medium speed here, and here we go. There we go. Bring it back in front of us and do some sliding right about here. Do some drifting. So if I was going around corners, I could drift it like, here we go. I'll do S-turns. There you go, see what I mean? Going that way, going this way. It's pretty cool, it actually works. If I had a course to go on, you go straight and then you drift it around the course and you get drifting. I'm in medium speed, which works quite well. All right, the next thing to show you is what comes in the box. Check this out.
This is the box your car comes in. Inside the box, you'll find your car, remote, and accessories. First thing you'll notice is the car is well detailed, well designed, and well constructed in a fashion that makes it very solid. Nice grippy racing tires are installed. Removing the top cover, we can take a look at the components inside. You'll see that it's designed to maintain its rigidity in crashes. It is a 4-wheel drive vehicle with spring-loaded shocks. The car has adjustable proportional steering. The brush motor has a heat sink attached so it never overheats. The included battery is a 2-cell 1300 milliamp hour battery. There is a bumper on the front and the rear and headlights and taillights. The receiver ESC has a dedicated on-off button. The included remote has all the features you would need in a remote for an RC vehicle, with dedicated switches for speed and lights. The remote is powered by 3 AA batteries, not included. Other items in the box include the instruction manual, some stickers for the car, 4 drift tires, a USB battery charger, a micro Phillips screwdriver, and finally some spacers for your shocks.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this is a really good buy for the price. If you're into RC cars, you want to get a Christmas gift, you want to get a birthday gift, you want to get something for yourself, this is actually good. It doesn't cost a lot, so I'm quite impressed. And even the frame on it, it's pretty nice. No issues. I haven't damaged anything. It's never rolled over in all the time I've used it. I love the fact you get 2 sets of tires, you know, for grippiness, for racing, and then for drifting. I love the lights on it, very nice. So all in all, really good. A controller with 3 speeds, that's nice. And the fact you can change the lights to I think about 7 different settings, that's a really good thing. So all in all, I'm giving this a thumbs up. So links are below to where you can find it. Go check out the price. There might even be a discount, I don't know. Check it out and see if it's for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in future reviews with many more cool products. Till then, I say bye.